Hi everyone, my name is Vesta and I will be talking about accent recognition using pre-trained model in CADI. The prerequisite for this, if you have worked with the CADI tools and familiar with it, and I will go through the brief overview of how I use transfer learning to solve this problem. So transfer learning is using a situation that has been previously solved to solve a problem to solve a larger problem by generalizing it to be able to have a solution. So using that approach of transfer learning, I use a CADI pre-trained VoxLab dataset for speaker recognition as a base model for my CADI dataset for accent recognition. The model was trained for the speaker recognition using a male frequency subtract coefficient and pitched on a very huge dataset and augmented for robust performance. The experiment data that I used was extracted from the Kaggle website, clean and processed and pre-processed in the CADI voxelab format, and for conformity and to avoid any means of like overfitting of the data set, I randomly shuffle the data and use 80% for training, 10% for testing, and 10% for the trials and evaluation. Below is a diagram for the transfer learning and how it is being implemented. So my approach in solving this problem of transfer learning and accent recognition is first preparing my data by using feature extraction and the MFCC page and also the configuration files from the VoxLab pre-trained model. The initial weights of the pre-trained model was frozen and its final output or the TDN layer was used as an initial input in my dataset to learn those embeddings that were extracted. The last layer contains the features of the accent recognition. The instructor embeddings or X vector were then trained on my model for base learning for accent in a time delay neural network. My dataset was later on retrained with those embeddings for decoding the accent of a specific speaker. The result and final outputs I currently penning because I'm using the LDA to use the dimension and the PLDA for the scoring. So it's currently being ran on the server and I don't have any final solution yet for that. Thank you so much.